Hey guys, this is the updates for the ML100, formerly known as the S925TX. I'm here to talk to you about the upgrades that we did today. So we're still gonna have those radial lifting arms, 84.5 inches of hinge pin height. So when this is all the way as high as we can go, we got 84.5 inches. Working up this, we've got the CII plate, which has become the industry standard. So these handles here securing your attachment. This is basically a universal mini skid steer coupler, as well as the North American standard auxiliary that is gonna make this a universal tool for a lot of attachments that you may already have or what Vermeer has in their portfolio. We've got 12 gallons a minute on standard high flow, 5 gallons a minute on standard low flow. Our featherable attachments, something you need control of, and those power demanding attachments that you need that hydraulic flow with. As we move up this, one thing I really want to point out on the hydraulic cylinders is you can see that we're nitrite coated now, whereas we were just previously stainless exposed. What this is doing on this ram is this is going to prevent that pitting of the cylinder where debris is allowed to go into your cylinders, and that's one of the leading causes of hydraulic contamination and hydraulic failure, and so we've eliminated that issue. So you can see that we still have the spring tensioning track system on here. This is going to make it easy for you to replace a track or put a track back on and not have to make a mess with all that grease and all that stuff. We're still going to have those oil-bathed rollers on here. We got away from the grease zerks as those were plugging or they were knocking them off, and then you couldn't maintain your rollers. So that's a huge benefit to that. One thing that we love to preach on is the serviceability of these units. So when we need to access that Relco 1403 KSD engine in this, and I will say that this is a turbocharged machine, much more torque, much more power. We don't see that drooping like we saw in the 925. This thing is ready to go. You guys will love this. This ML100 is going to be top stuff in the 1,000 pound rated operating capacity, 25 horsepower diesel. Like I was saying about serviceability, toolless panels to get complete access to your engine, couple bolts to be able to access your pump system here. This is a direct pump drive system. We've got gear pumps that are going to be running Poclane ground drive motors. These are going to have K-strains on them. Vermeer's doing a clean oil initiative to where we're really revamped the hydraulic system on all four of the lineup in the new ML lineup that is going to give you a lot more durability and a lot more reliability. And that's what you're going to see in those top tier Poclane ground drive motors that we previously didn't have. We've got leading fuel capacity, 13 gallons. We got two tanks, one on this side, one on the other side. They are connected at the bottom. This is going to allow you to operate these machines all day, 8-hour day on without having to refuel.